all, today on Cook with Love we have brought for you Ganesh Chaturthi special, my version of chocolate modaks. The ingredients for this are half a cup of semolina or rava, half a cup of jaggery powder, 1 tablespoon of chocolate powder, half a cup of ghee, 2 cups of milk and 2-3 drops of vanilla essence. For these chocolate modaks, first of all, we will prepare a chocolate sugar syrup. For this, heat milk in a pan and add jaggery powder to it. Keep stirring so that the jaggery gets dissolved well. In order to add the chocolate powder, first of all, we will take 2-3 tablespoons of milk and add that milk to this chocolate powder and form a kind of paste. As you can see, jaggery has mixed well. Now we will add this chocolate paste to it. Our chocolate syrup is ready now. We can now add vanilla essence. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool for some time. Meanwhile, we will start preparing the semolina. Now take ghee in a pan and roast semolina in it till it turns slightly brown. Keep cooking it on low heat. As you can see, it has turned brown and you can smell the aroma also. Now we will add this chocolate syrup to it. Now keep stirring it till it thickens a bit. Now it has thickened. We will now turn off the heat and transfer it to a bowl. Now allow it to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. We will now slightly knead it. Now make small balls out of it. Then just place this ball in it. And close it.